Hey, welcome back, preppers. Got a short video today that should help you make survival fun with your family. Take the family outside and teach them how to navigate using the stars. Today we're going to be talking about celestial navigation. Here's how the North Star will help you find your way home. Stay tuned. Let me start by saying that the stars used for navigation do vary depending on which hemisphere you're in, north or south, because the stars in the northern hemisphere can't be seen in the southern hemisphere and vice versa. So knowing that, let's get into it. How to recognize the constellations, and how to find north with Polaris in the northern hemisphere. Polaris, also known as the North Star, is the most well-known star used for navigation. It's not actually famous for its brightness because there are brighter stars in the sky, but due to its unique position near the celestial pole. It lies almost in a direct line along the Earth's axis of rotation above the North Pole. Polaris is the only star in the northern hemisphere that doesn't travel, and because of this, it barely moves in the sky while all the other stars spin around it. As you can see here in the picture, Polaris is at the center with all the stars moving around it, giving us a steady, fixed point of north. Now let's find the North Star. It can be found as the brightest star in Ursa Minor, also known as the Little Dipper or Little Bear. Yeah, no, it doesn't really look like a bear. Polaris is the last star in the handle. It can be difficult to find at times because Ursa Minor doesn't have the brightest stars, so look for Ursa Major, also known as the Big Dipper or Big Bear, to locate the North Star. Once you find the Big Dipper, you can use the two end stars of the pot, we're going to call them the pointers, and follow the path upwards all the way to Polaris. Now, if the clouds or other bad weather interferes with your view, there are other ways to do it. You're going to observe the spacing between those two stars and then follow the direction 5 equal spaces to Polaris. This will still guarantee that you find the general area of north. It's also important to point out that while Polaris stays still, the rest of the stars, including the Big Dipper, will move and sometimes be covered by objects on the horizon. It could be mountains, clouds, or even trees. So if you can, try to look for Polaris on high ground for better visibility. Alright, well there you have it. Pretty easy stuff. Find Ursa Major or the Big Dipper, which is the largest and most recognizable constellation in the sky. Follow the 2 pointers at the bottom of the cup, and that will lead you directly to Polaris. And if visibility is low, multiply the 2 pointers at the bottom of the cup by 5, and you'll find Polaris. Then face directly at Polaris, and you'll be facing north. Turn 180 degrees, and you'll be facing south. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to take your family outside. Show them that survival can be fun. Till next time.